Okay, so this is not a video that I want to be making. You'll understand what's happening in a second. You've just heard me rev it up. I'm following my friend here, and I'm in third gear, and I've only got third and fourth gear because first, yeah, my linkage has just gone. I can do that wherever I want, and I have to now do that and drive it everywhere. I've got a little sign on the back saying on tow, overtake, but yeah, my linkage has just gone. I was driving actually to get some spacer fitment thingies, the spigot rings for my Civic wheels, and this has literally just happened as I was about to go onto the motorway. I've done 75,000 miles pretty much on the dot in this thing now, and it's gone just after 75. I'm quite, it still goes into fourth because they're the only gears that I've got available. But yeah, it literally just went on the spot, and I'm honestly quite disappointed that it's just gone. Like, I don't rag this car about, I don't drive like a maniac or like smash around in it. I actually take care of it, and for it to have just gone like that, I'm pretty disappointed. I thought it would have been a bit more, you know, long lasting than 75,000 miles, but I know they're a common going point on the ZC32S, which is, it's a shame really, but I can't do anything about it. It is what it is. I've just got to get it home now and try and get it diagnosed, so I guess I'll catch you then. Okay, I've got it back home safe and stuff, just pulled it up onto the driveway. I hate starting it in third, obviously, but yeah. I know I've seen a lot of people on Swiss Sport Owners Club with this issue. You can feel it, that it's not going into first, second, fifth or sixth, and reverse is gone as well. It's just third and fourth, obviously, because that's just forward and backwards in the centre of the box. That makes sense. So I guess it's time to pull this apart, or at least do some research and see what the people on Swift Sport Owners Club have said. So after just fannying for 5 or 10 minutes and actually removing the screws that hold this lot in, it has somehow fixed itself. It goes in swirl gears again. I'm still going to order the part, obviously, but there you go. If you want a fix,
just punch it.
Yeah, just hammer the hell out of it, and it seems to work. Alright, just for reference of what we did there, you can actually slip your hand under this trim piece here, like so, and I'll get a feel for it for myself. You can actually feel the linkage cables going around there. If you yank it back into place, it does go. As I've just found out, that's now solidly in gear. There is movement, but there always was movement in this thing. Right, so here's to taking some trim pieces off and finding out what the hell's wrong with this thing properly. Alright, so I've stopped messing about with this lot down here because I realised you can pull this out, and I wonder why it wasn't coming out. A bit of a dummy moment there for me, not going to lie. But anyway, we've got the little thing here. I actually found it on an installation guide to fit a short shifter because I had no idea what I was looking at, and then I looked at this and I realised, oh, look at all this stuff going on here. You can take it all out, so that's absolutely happy days there. This thing's filthy. I'm going to clean it properly. And here we have our little linkage assembly. Let's have a look at this. So it's all working at the moment, and the part that's actually gone wrong is down there. Hence why when I hit it, it goes back into place, and you can see the little broken bit down there. So I'm gonna get a little screwdriver, pop this out, and then we're gonna have a real interesting close-up look at it. Okay, there's some screws out. You want to make sure you keep those safe, like, because you'll be pretty lost without them, I imagine. So this should now just, yeah, there we go. Oh, cup holder and all. Better move my little wire out of the way. And let's get rid of this, and we'll see what we're actually left with. I've got this trim piece hanging down here and everything's sort of going everywhere. O'Connor, yeah? No, maybe? Yes, there we go. Wow, that looks so raw. It's very different, I must say. There's a lot of wires and stuff down there. I'm not even sure what half of that stuff is, to be honest. Hey, that's the one. It does worry me that there's a random plastic piece in that. I can clean all this stuff actually whilst it's out, so that's kind of helping me out too. Chuck that down there. Do you know what? If there was carpet going all around here, I would dig that look and have the little cup holder there and have it nice and plastic off there. Yeah, I rate that. I do quite rate that a lot. All right then, so this is what we're left with. The thing that's gone wrong is this here. As you can see, that is my gear linkage I've got in my hand, and I can turn it round and do whatever the hell I like with it. And it should just be there solid like that, but you can see the bushing has perished completely away. It's a common fault on these. The rubber bush itself, you can see it's just all cracks and stuff. So we'll be taking care of that and definitely ordering the new part. I'll put a screenshot of the part on the screen now. That's the part you need if this has gone wrong with your car. Like I said, very common failing point on these, and it's going to want to be done at some point. For the meantime, you can actually botch it back together again, which I will do, because like I said, I've got some events and stuff coming up. So I'll show you the little trick that I've got to just put it back together with a cable tie, and then I will get the part ordered, and yeah, that's... Alright, so it's a few days later and the bushing repair kit has arrived. What comes with it is basically the new bush, which is this purpley looking thing, and you get this little greasy jelly stuff with it as well. And it comes with a little, it comes with a business card, and it also comes with a little instruction kit here, and that just tells you literally what to do. It is so simple to do. Now, I did do a temporary fix, like I said I was going to. You can cable tie it back on if you really needed to get it to events like I've done here. I've probably done about 10 miles with it like this. I've really not done a lot, to be honest. I didn't want to push my luck too far, just wanted to see if it works, and got me to an event and back, and it did. It was only a local one, but it did the trick nonetheless. So anyway, let's crack on with this repair, shall we? Okay, now that's in place, you're going to want to grab the little bag of grease that's supplied, and then we're going to use this to lubricate the end of this rod here so it all slides in together smoothly. Best thing to do is just put a bit on the end of your finger. You can see I've already got all the old grease all over my finger. Just try a little bit and see how that goes. Now you've greased that up, it's simply time to slip it all back together again, like so. And there you go, it literally slots in like that. And now, as you see, put all my pressure behind that and it's going absolutely nowhere. And now we'll just do a quick test and I'll show you how it all works, so you can see it cycling through the gears. First, second, over to third, fourth, fifth, and back down to sixth, and reverse. All working fine there, as you can see. And if I move it all up here again, I'll just cycle through the gears for you. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Reverse. There you go, all fixed within quite literally 5 minutes. So yeah, if you did enjoy this video and it helped you out, leave a like on it, comment what you thought about it. Was it easy to follow? Give me some feedback or something like that. That'd be absolutely massively appreciated. And yeah, it's a really easy fix. Like I said, it takes no longer than 10 minutes, 5-10 minutes to do, and it gets your car back on the road. All these trim pieces, they simply just go back in the way you took them out. So this one goes in first, screw it in there and there, and down here as well. Pop that one back on there, make sure you've got your gear leather in, thread it all back through, and it is so simply done like that. Alright, this is future me cutting back in just for reference of where these screws go, because I thought, no, I'm not going to miss it out, I won't be that guy. So there's 2 golden coloured screws, they go in the top there, and these 2 screws quite simply go into the floor there. You can see that screw hole there, that's where it goes. So yeah, thanks very much for watching. Hopefully this video helped out, and I will catch you again very soon with some really good Swift content. Thanks for watching.